Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can take screenshot on iPhone with Assistive Touch. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is turn on your Assistive, for which tap on Settings. And after going to your settings, now what you're going to do is tap on Accessibility. After doing so, now tap on Touch. And after doing so, here you can see the option of Assistive Touch. Tap on it. And then in here, you can see this toggle button right here. Simply just tap on it in order to turn it on. And just like this, here you can see you will get this Assistive Touch like this. And now what you're going to do is go to the page that you want to take this screenshot of. So I'm simply just going to take this screenshot of this home page. So simply tap on this Assistive Touch. And after doing so, here you can see this will open. And in here, what you're going to do is tap on Device. And in here, you can see the option of More. Tap on it. And then you can see the option of Screenshot. Simply tap on it. And like this, you can see you have now successfully taken the screenshot. You can simply just edit it however you want. And just like this, you can take screenshot on iPhone with your Assistive Touch. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.